Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Petitioners are retired employees of Punjab Pollution Control Board (PPCB) board. They had retired prior to 1/1/1996. By way of these petitions, they pray for issuance of appropriate writ to cause the letter memo dated 5/9/2011 and memo dated 30/11/2012 wide, which respondent number 1 state has declined to grant the pensionary benefits to the retired employees of PPCB, that is petitioners, to cause part of notification dated 26/12/2006 annexure P7A to the extent that same has been enforced prospectively instead of being enforced from 1/1/1996, to direct the respondents to grant benefits to pension to the petitioners under pension scheme implemented with effect from 26/12/2006 in terms of promise made by PPCB wide its letter dated 25/7/1997 annexure P4 para according to the petitioners employees of the board being covered by the provisions of Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952, hereinafter referred as the Act 1952, were subscribing a part of their salary towards Employees Provident Fund and Family Pension Scheme in accordance with the provisions of the Act 1952. An equal amount being the employer's share was paid by the board, and both these amounts were deposited with the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, Punjab, Chandigarh, Para. The board, in its meeting dated 7/2/1995, considered the item relating to implementation of pension scheme for the employees of board and agreed in principle to grant pension to its employees. Wide letter dated 27/3/1995, annexure P2, the board sent the copies of the proposed draft pension scheme to the government in the Department of Science, Technology and Environment, Punjab, Chandigarh, conveying the decision of para. Under the Act 1952, the Government of India introduced Employees Pension Scheme for all subscribers of EPF with effect from 16/11/1995. The scheme was made admissible to the employees who were subscribing towards the EPF. However, Para 39 of the Employees Pension Scheme 1995 provided that Government of India could exempt the notified pension scheme for such employees who may opt for a pension scheme wherein pensionary benefits were at par or more favorable to the employees. Para. In view of the above said Employees Pension Scheme 1995, which came into existence on 16/11/1995 under the provisions of the EPF Act 1952, the board wide its letter dated 8/2/1996 annexure P3 approached the Government of India as well as Government of Punjab requesting for necessary exemption under Para 39 of the Employees Pension Scheme 1995 as pensionary benefits under the board's own proposed scheme were more beneficial than the Employees Pension Scheme 1995. The said request was repeated via another letter dated 22/8/1997. Para. A meeting was held on 11/11/1999 under the chairmanship of the Special Secretary, Department of Science, Technology and Environment, Punjab, Chandigarh, with the board authorities, wherein it was decided why to recommend the proposed scheme of the board to the government of Punjab for its implementation and grant of its permission for implementation of the scheme. Draft rules were also proposed to be sent to the government for its concurrence after approval of the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner para. Thereafter, the Special Secretary of Government of Punjab, Department of Science, Technology and Environment, white letter dated 21/2000, directed the board to send draft regulation relating to the pension scheme for the employees of the board in terms of subsection 3A of section 12 of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 for obtaining the approval of the government of Punjab. In compliance of the said direction, draft regulations were placed in 107th meeting of the board held on 7/7/2000, and the board approved the pension scheme under the name and style as Punjab Pollution Control Board Pension Regulations. Stop.